Hello kids, welcome to the lesson. Today I'm gonna teach you compound sentences. According to your SOW reference, this chapter comes under section 1, Grammar, first term. Page number 54. Now ready for the lesson. In this lesson kids, you will learn sentences are 4 types. What are they? Simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Actually, it's important to know the different types of sentences. Okay, but then now tell me, what are the types of sentences? Simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Sentences are 4 types: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex. Let's see what are some common ways to structure a sentence. First of all, let us recall your memory. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence has a subject and predicate. You can see what is a subject here. Sandra. Predicate. Plays tennis. What is this sentence? Sandra plays tennis. So children, now you can identify what is the subject here and predicate here. Okay? Children, a simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. And also, it expresses a single complete thought. It expresses a single complete thought. A simple sentence is an independent clause. A simple sentence is an independent clause. So you know why we are using sentences. We use sentences to say something. We use sentences to ask a question. We use sentences to make commands. And also, we use sentences to make requests. Okay, I'll give some examples. We use sentence to say something. That means statement. As example, the cat is under the table. It's a kind of statement. We use sentence to ask a question. Just like, what is your name? What is your name? And the third point is we use sentences to make commands or orders. Just like stand up, sit down. Fourth one, we use sentences to make request. Please come here. Give me some money. And these are the examples. Okay, now you have learned what is a simple sentence. A simple sentence has one independent clause. Okay, a little bit of review. What is an independent clause? What is an independent clause? An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone. What is an independent clause, children? An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone. And it is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. It is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. An independent clause is a sentence. An independent clause is a sentence. Then you know an independent clause has a subject and a verb and can complete an idea. It can stand by itself because the idea in that clause is complete. Let's have a look at this example. Jan went to the store. When she got there, as you know, a simple sentence contains one main clause. A simple sentence contains one main clause. Then what is the main clause here, Buddha? Or in another word, simple sentence. Main clause or simple sentence. Jan went to the store. What is the subordinate clause? When she got there. When she got there. Okay, let's see what is the sentence here. We went to San Juan. So, Puta, you have to identify what is the pronoun we. Verb went. To San Juan. Prepositional phrase. So, we can say we as a simple subject. And went to San Juan. Complete predicate. Okay kids, now we are going to learn what is a compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two or more main clauses. A compound sentence contains two or more main clauses. And it is a sentence that joins two independent clauses together with a coordinating conjunction or semicolon. It is a sentence that joins two independent clauses together with a coordinating conjunction or semicolon. Okay, now we know compound sentence has two independent clauses. So, Buddha, independent clause contains three things. Do you know? Independent clause contains three things. A subject. First one is a subject. That means something or someone that the sentence is about. Something or someone that the sentence is about. Second one, an action. A verb, something that is being done. A verb, something that is being done. Third one, a complete thought. There are no questions as to meaning at the end of the sentence. So, independent clause contains three things. What are they? A subject, an action, a complete thought. Okay, children, let's have a look. Combine clauses. There are two ways to combine independent clauses to make a compound sentence. There are two ways to combine independent clauses to make a compound sentence. What is the first way? Comma, by using comma plus coordinating conjunction and semicolon. Comma, coordinating conjunction and semicolon. Okay, now let's see this example. I drink green tea, but they drink coffee. I drink green tea, but they drink coffee. So, can you see a comma and coordinating conjunction here? Yes, you can see. So, in this sentence, I drink green tea is an independent clause where I is the subject. I drink green tea is an independent clause where I is the subject. Then drink, it's a verb or an action. And a complete thought is expressed. But they drink coffee. You know the coordinator but is used and a comma is placed before but. You can see that coordinator but is used and a comma is placed before but. They drink coffee. They drink coffee is an independent clause where they take as a subject and drink is the action and a complete thought is expressed. Okay, children, look at this sentence. As you learned, the main clause in a compound sentence are usually joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. And you know that compound sentence has two or more important and independent clauses joined by a conjunction. A compound conjunction like and, but, or, so, for, etc. So we join two independent clauses with compound conjunction. You can have more compound conjunction, but again you have to be a little bit careful when you are using coordinating conjunctions. Okay, children. Now you can see what are the coordinating conjunction. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions in the English language which are used to link independent clauses. A coordinating conjunction is also known as a fan voice. So you can easily memorize these 7 coordinating conjunction. Let's have a look. What are they? For, and, no, but, or, yet, so. You can use these boys to help you remember the 7 coordinating conjunctions when you have two independent clauses joined by one of these coordinators. But children, you have to remember a comma is required before the coordinator. Okay children, look at this example. Tom swims and Sandra plays tennis. So can you identify what is the coordinating conjunction here? Yes, very good. It's and. And is a coordinating conjunction. And also you can see before the coordinating conjunction there is a comma. So Tom swims, we can say clause 1 and independent clause number 1. Sandra plays tennis as an independent clause 2. Okay children, these are some examples. Look at this carefully. The cell phone rang right before class, so the student quickly turned off the phone's ringer. Next one, the teens walked to the park, but it was closed. The gentleman did not know where the sound came from, so he hid behind the tree. So you can see what are the coordinating conjunctions here. So, but, again, so. And also you can see before the coordinating conjunction there is a comma. Combine clauses. There are two ways to combine independent clauses to make a compound sentence. Comma, using comma, coordinating conjunction, and semicolon. Let's have a look what is a semicolon. So children, you can also use a semicolon to create a compound sentence since the two statements are equal. You can also use a semicolon to create the compound sentence since the two statements are equal. Look at these examples. The teacher applauded the class. The kids beamed with pride. Second one, the dog ate. The cat slept. So you can see the semicolon in these sentences. Time's up. Now grab your textbook, page number 54. Look at the examples for compound sentences. First one, cats are incredibly intuitive animals and have highly developed senses of hearing and sight. So you can see the conjunction here and. Look at the second one. The forecast was rain, but it turned out to be a very sunny day. So you can see in this sentence there is a comma and a coordinating conjunction. What is the coordinating conjunction here? But. Look at the third one. You can cash in the vouchers. You can choose to hold on to them. You can cash in the vouchers or you can choose to hold on to them. So you can see another coordinating conjunction is O. Kids, now it's your turn. So you have to complete the following activities in page number 55, starting point, going further and further still. Okay children, now let's do this activity. Identify the following sentences, simple or compound. Complete this activity. So my kids, did you understand the lesson? What did you learn today? Okay, let me recall. What are the four types of sentences? Simple sentence, compound, complex, and compound complex sentences. So, what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence joins two or more independent clauses with a comma, with a coordinator such as for, and, or, but, etc. and also or a semicolon. Okay, so we'll meet another day, children. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.